how to change Google search country on your browser. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you also want to change your Google search country on your browser, here's what you need to do. So first thing, just head over to google.com, and as you can see, currently it's located to my default country. So whenever I try to search for anything like this, it will basically show you based on your country or your region. So now to change that or to view it for the different country, what you need to do is just hit this settings option from the bottom right corner and just head over to this search settings. So once you click on search settings, now select this other settings, and right next to it you shall see the option that is language and region. Now just select it, and once you select it, you can see there is a display language. You can also change that, and now you just have to click on this results region. So it's currently on my default country, or that is my country. So now you can just change it to any other countries. So you can just choose on any other countries other than your country, and previously it will be on current region, which is this option. So for now I'll simply select this any one of these options over here and just click on confirm, and just like that you can see your location being changed on your Google search settings, just like that. So that is it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.